This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. Choose a colorful mix of ripe fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, pineapple, and grapes. You'll also need a large bowl for mixing, a sharp knife, and a sturdy cutting board. Think about a light dressing too, perhaps honey and lime juice, to enhance the natural flavors. Now it's time to prepare your chosen fruits. Start by washing everything thoroughly under cool, running water. For fruits like pineapple or cantaloupe, peel them carefully and remove any cores or seeds. Then, cut all your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This makes the salad easier to eat and ensures a consistent texture. Add the prepared fruit to your large mixing bowl. Once all your fruits are prepped, gently combine them in the large mixing bowl. Next, let's make a simple dressing. In a separate small bowl, whisk together about 2 tablespoons of honey with 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice. This adds a lovely tang and sweetness. Pour this dressing over your fruit and toss everything very gently to ensure every piece is lightly coated. Your delicious fruit salad is now ready to enjoy. For the freshest experience, serve it immediately. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate. It will stay fresh for about 3 days. Remember, some fruits like bananas are best added just before serving to prevent browning. And for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for these leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.